Hi again, everybody. Time to talk about this weather forecast, which for today, for tomorrow, is still going to lean a little bit unsettled. That same boundary that brought us all the rain and storms yesterday, it's still lingering just off to our south and east, and it can bring with it some more scattered showers, some more stronger thunderstorms. 24-hour temperature cast wants to keep the daytime highs down a little bit today, and that's because we do expect to increase the clouds from the south and east, spreading a little bit more to the north. We do have showers already, some near Live Oak, more out towards Fargo, a bunch down towards Cross City. That's where that boundary sort of is lingering. And as it wavers from south to west to northeast and kind of lifts a little bit during the day today, it'll try to spread some more of those showers, maybe up to I-10 or even north of there. So we have chances, I think, today and tomorrow both to get some more showers. Most of what we've seen so far this morning is confined to those far southeastern areas, but I do expect some changes over the next day, day and a half. It's 66 right now in Tallahassee, it's 63 in Valdosta, we're at 61 in Thomasville. So we're starting the day pretty warm. This time of year we're supposed to be way back in the low 50s. I see more numbers around the region that's spread out from a 54 in Blakely to a 61 at Bainbridge to a 70 in Perry to a 73 in Cross City, where the clouds are thickest south and east, where the moisture is most abundant, it's where the temperatures are the warmest, where the visibilities are the lowest. Spots like Cross City, like Perry, we have reduced visibility this morning, but most other areas are doing just fine. There are the showers to our south and to our east. They are going to try and lift north as that boundary does. You see all those arrows on the futurecast. The arrows pointing down indicate winds from the north. That's where the cooler and drier air is. And as that sort of gets replaced by those arrows pointing up, the south winds, I think that warm surge, that boundary makes progress north for today and a little bit tomorrow. Then tomorrow, those arrows pointing down, those north winds start to make more progress and start to push that boundary back to the south. So as that boundary sort of wavers where it is, makes a little progress north, then a little bit more progress south, the shower chances will increase near and along that boundary. That's why both today and tomorrow, showers are going to be part of the forecast. Maybe some thunderstorms too, especially with still some upper level energy to deal with. And I do think our futurecast will point that out for us. It's not an everybody gets wet. It's not a big sweeping line of showers like we saw yesterday. But it is a real chance to get some much needed rain, I think, both today and tomorrow in at least some spots. And then I think we have our brightest day of the week on Thursday when that drier air from the north finally does start to win out that battle, at least temporarily. On the Gulf today, winds out of the south and southwest 8 to 16. Going to be a little breezy at times, especially near some of those showers and storms. The high tides, they're next up. They'll get started a little before 9. Our forecast on land is mostly 60s and 70s. The clearest skies are north and west. The cloudiest ones closer to showers south and east. Let's put the rain chances better than 60% today. I think there's a real good shot, especially maybe along the I-10 corridor and south, or maybe even up to the state line, that we have a good chance to get wet tonight. It's more clouds, it's more low 60s, and over the next couple of days, while I'd like to see some sweeping changes to the forecast, I don't. I think we have chances to get wet for the next couple, and then I think we're going to keep these temperatures very April-like for the next several days, even if we do keep the forecast maybe a little unsettled.